Curious about what comes with the JBL Tune 520 BT wireless headphones? In this unboxing, we'll take a closer look at the packaging, the accessories included, and of course, the headphones themselves. Are they as stylish and functional as they claim? Let's see what's inside the box and get a hands-on look at these exciting features. Opening the box, the first thing you'll notice is how well packaged everything is. The JBL Tune headphones sit securely in a protective insert, showcasing their sleek and modern design. With the headphones, you'll find a USB Type-C charging cable for super fast charging, a user manual for easy setup guidance, and warranty information. Taking the headphones out, they feel lightweight but sturdy. The soft air cushions are designed for comfort during those long listening sessions. The adjustable headband gives a snug fit for users of all sizes. The buttons on the ear cups are intuitively placed, allowing you to control music, calls, and features like voice aware with ease. The first step after unboxing is pairing them via Bluetooth, which ensures a quick and reliable connection to your smartphone or device. I'm not demoing this, but you can customize your listening experience by downloading the free JBL Headphones app to tailor your sound profile using the EQ settings. Finally, with charging, the full charge provides up to an incredible 57 hours of wireless listening. But with the fast supercharging feature of just 5 minutes of charging, you can get an additional 3 hours of playback, which is perfect if you're on the go. Hope you enjoyed this JBL Tunes unboxing. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more hands-on looks at the latest tech. See you in the next video.